Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. This video will be part 1 of my spring cleaning series. I will be showing you the in-depth spring cleaning method that I use every year. I have a journal that I write down specifically what days I clean in certain areas, and I have altered my routine several times over the years due to where I live, my work schedule, and my routines. The living room I did all in one night. The number 1 rule is to start from the ceiling and work your way down to the floor. I grabbed a broom and basically just swept the ceiling, getting all the dust and spider webs down, which made the living room extremely dusty. The ceiling is really high and I wasn't able to stand on a ladder and do the regular dusting, so I had to have a broom in order to get down all of the cobwebs. Once the dust settled, I was able to show you how dusty it gets when you clean the ceiling if you don't clean it on a regular basis every week. I always take down all the accessories first, clean any of the mirrors or anything hanging on the walls, and then clean the furniture and make sure all of the dust is completely off, and then clean off all the accessories and then put them back up. The TV stand, I took all of the baskets out and my books. I first cleaned the TV with a special cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Then I started dusting the whole stand and Windexing the glass. After cleaning and organizing all of the baskets, I put everything back in place. I took everything out of the fish tank stand and dusted. The fish tank itself, I will be doing a separate video for. I did not put anything back in the stand. I left it empty where the cabinets are, and I have all of my fish items in a separate place. I have done a lot of research over the years to find out what works best for me. This year I wanted to do everything in one night, but usually I split everything up between 3 days, depending on what type of schedule I have. After everything was dusted and picked up, I vacuumed and did an in-depth cleaning around the baseboards. I washed all the window treatments and Windexed all the windows inside, watered and cleaned off all of the plants. Then I used the carpet cleaner and cleaned the carpets. After everything was organized, I lit a lot of tea light candles around the room and created a beautiful ambiance against the walls and the sparkle accessories. Then it was time to relax, sit down, and watch some TV. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please click subscribe below as well as the bell so you can receive notifications for when I put out new videos. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day.